God is good all the time. I want you to give a clap for the word today. Our message today. It's a blessing to be here today. Going throughout this week was a bit of pain, but I thank God for His restoration. They've been a strength, especially for me and my family. So now I really enjoyed the word. Resist the devil. Powerful word today. Even though it was just one verse, it was just powerful. Kind of remind me when I was growing up, when I was young. I really loved Jesus. I was in love with Jesus, but when I started meeting friends, I couldn't resist. The life was, didn't listen to my parents. So, now for work, do the encouragement for the young ones as you're growing up. This is a special coming to church every Sundays and taking the message in. Also kind of reminds me of me and my brothers growing up. So, Pastor, thank you for the word today. It really touched me today. So yeah, can't resist it. The life is too good, but if you wanna live a special and blessed life, I guess the word today really kicked into me. So thank you, Pastor. I would like to call up the worship team to help me with my song. I had a song, but I forgot to book at home. So I've got another song. This is an old song written by Lord. I tried to do it way back, but I forgot to book at home, so God knows my heart. So. Just gonna sing a verse and a chorus. Ilona